Hey guys, and welcome to today's crochet video. In this video I would love to show you how to make my adorable little candy corn, perfect for Halloween, that's just round the corner. So without hesitation, let's move straight into materials. You will need a 4mm crochet hook, which is also known as a G. This is my personal favourite. An optional stitch marker, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle just for finishing off, and this is also completely optional, a pair of safety eyes and backs. Now I'm going to use 9x11 eyes for this, or I'm going to completely recreate this little guy. Now that is completely optional, you don't have to add eyes, or you can use any other size which you would like to. And of course some stuffing. These are the colours that I will be using, so I've got a nice vibrant orange, basic white and a nice ball of yellow for my wool. So to start, we're going to create a magic ring 6. Now for round 1, we're just going to increase all the way around, and that'll give us 12 stitches. Now for round 2, we're just going to single crochet all the way around, and that'll give us a total of 12 stitches. Now for round 3, I'm going to single crochet and then increase all the way around, and that will give me a total of 18 stitches. Now for round 4, I'm just going to single crochet all the way around. So for round 5, I'm just going to single crochet twice and then increase all the way around, and that'll give me a total of 24 stitches in round 5. Now I'm going to take a minute just to change to orange, and for round 6 we're just going to single crochet all the way around. For round 7, I'm going to single crochet 3 times and then increase all the way around, and that'll leave me with 30 stitches in round 7. For round 8, I'm just going to single crochet all the way around. For round 9, I'm going to single crochet 4 times and then increase all the way around, and that will give me a total of 36 stitches in round 9. Now for round 10, I'm just going to single crochet all the way around. Now for round 11, I'm going to swap to yellow. Now for round 11 to 14, so that's 11, 12, 13 and 14, I'm just going to single crochet all the way around. That'll give me 36 stitches in each round. So for round 15 I'm going to single crochet 4 times and then decrease all the way around, and that'll give me a total of 30 stitches in round 15. Round 16 I'm just going to single crochet 3 times and then decrease all the way around, and that'll give me 24 stitches. Round 17 I'm going to single crochet twice and then decrease all the way around, and that'll give me a total of 18 stitches. For round 18 I'm going to single crochet and then decrease all the way around, and that'll give me 12 stitches. Now before we move on to our final round, I'm just going to take a moment to set the safety eyes in. So I want to make sure that my colour changes are on the back of the amigurumi, and I'm going to place my eyes on round 11, so that will just be here in this round here where I've turned to yellow. I want to make sure that I set them 8 stitches apart, so I'm going to put my first eye in and then I'm going to count 8 stitches and I'll put my second eye in. So now finally for round 19 I'm just going to decrease all the way around. There we go, it looks ridiculous. So I'm just going to very quickly stuff this and I'll see you in a minute. And there we go, I've stuffed mine quite nicely. It's not too firm, it's not too squishy. I'm pretty happy with that. So now all I'm going to do to finish this off is just take up my yarn needle and pop in an ultimate finish there so I get this brilliant closed circle. So there we go. I love how these guys turn out. They work up really quickly and I'm really excited to hand these out on Halloween for any trick-or-treaters, because I'm going to make quite a few more ready for anyone that comes. I really hoped that you enjoyed this pattern. Please feel free to subscribe if you did, and also click that little bell so you don't miss any of my future videos that will provide you with plenty of crochet tips, tricks and free patterns twice a week, every week. So once again, thanks so much guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.